I'm completely overhauling my home network setup. I'm going to be turning this HP Pro Desk into a router, and by installing a 2.5 gig NIC into this, as well as installing WireGuard and OpenSense, and instead using this ThinkStation as my home server. I'm going to be able to put things like TrueNAS, Image, and Jellyfin on this without it breaking a sweat, because it has 8 cores, 16 threads, and 16 gigs of RAM, which was very easily upgradable in a machine like this. This has a lot of headroom for any future VMs or services that I want to throw at it, giving me a lot more power in a small footprint.